गुरुर् साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
Good morning, scholars. We are going to move forward in English grammar, chapter number 8, pronouns. Do you remember? Last lecture we studied what are pronouns? Yes, they are words that replace the noun. Instead of nouns, we use pronouns. Let's revise and move further in this chapter. Let's revise. Pronouns are words that are used instead of nouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, they and them are the pronouns. This is what we studied in our last lectures. Let's see an example. My name is Ankur. I am 8 years old. Ankur is a noun given here. And which is the pronoun replaced in place of Ankur? I. Again we will not say, my name is Ankur. Ankur is 8 years old. We don't say that. So instead of Ankur, we use the word I. I is a pronoun here. Raj is my friend. He is a good boy. So we use the pronoun he instead of Raj in the second sentence. Pronouns are mostly used from the second sentence, not in the first sentence. Now, I, he, she and it. These pronouns are singular, whereas we and they are plural. But you is a pronoun which is singular also and plural also. Now with all singular pronouns, we use the word is. It is, she is, he is, right? With I, we always use the word am. You is a word which is used in both singular and plural. But still, with you, we always use are. With plural, always word are is used. We are, they are. So children, you need to remember that with singular pronouns, we always use is. And with plural pronouns, we always use are. Let's see an exercise in your grammar book, page number 33. Raman went to Manali with his family for his holidays. Now, Raman is the name of a boy who went to Manali, right, to spend his holidays. The whole family went to Manali to spend their holidays. From there, he wrote a letter to his friend Gagan. Can you see Raman is writing a letter to his friend from Manali? Help him complete the letter. Now we are going to help Raman to complete his letters. How are dash? Generally we ask this question to everybody. What do we? Which is the pronoun we always write when we ask about it? Yes, you. How are you? We say that, right? Dash are having a great time here. Now Raman is saying that they all have gone to Manali and they are having a great time. So how will Raman write here? We. Raman and his all family members all together, we are having great time here. Manali is very beautiful. There are mountains everywhere. My father loves it here. Dash has taken many photographs of the hills. Now, because father loves being there, father has taken many photographs. Now, instead of father, which is the pronoun we'll write here? He has taken many photographs of the hills. Mother says the apples here are very tasty. Now, Raman's mother is talking about the apples. Manali is very famous for apples. There the apples are very tasty, red, big and tasty. So mother loves apple. Dash plans to buy the whole box. Now who is planning? Mother is planning to buy the whole box. So instead of mother, which is the pronoun we'll use, she plans to buy the whole box. When Dash leave from here? Now everybody is going to leave together from Manali. So how will Raman write? When we leave from here, when they leave back, they'll go back from Manali. They are going to, mother is planning to buy many apples, the whole box of apples. Smita, she is Raman's sister. Smita loves the rabbit. Now there must be few rabbits there and Smita used to love them. Dash keeps asking the owner to let her carry Dash. Now, Smita loves rabbit. So, instead of Smita, which is the pronoun we'll use? She. What does she do? She keeps asking the owners. Owners means the place where they were staying. Now she keeps asking them to let her carry what she wanted to carry, the rabbits. So rabbits were more than one. So what will you write? Them. The owners, Mr. and Mrs. Gupta, are very kind. They were very nice. Dash allow her to play with the rabbits. So Mr. and Mrs. Gupta, they are more than one. So what will they write? They allow her, they allow Smita to play with the rabbits every day. One of the rabbits is especially friendly. One of them was very friendly. Dash loves to eat carrots. It loves to eat carrots. Okay, that special rabbit who was very friendly used to love to, and as it is, rabbits love to eat carrots. Dash like to go hiking up the mountains. Can you see? The whole family is going for hiking, climbing the mountains. So everybody used to like. So what we hear Raman write? We like to go hiking up the mountains. Dash wish Dash were here. Now Raman is writing a letter to Gagan. So what is Raman saying? I wish. He wished that you were here. He's writing Gagan that I wish you were here. Dash could do so many things together. If Raman and Gagan were together, they could have done many things together, enjoyed a lot. So what we will write? We could do many things together. Love, Raman. Let's move to one more exercise on page number 34. Rewrite the following sentences using appropriate pronouns for the words that are highlighted. The words will be highlighted to you. You have to look at the words and write down the proper pronouns for them. See the first sentence. The monkey is sitting on the tree. Now what is highlighted in this sentence? The monkey. What is the pronoun which you can use for monkey? It. For all the animals we use it. It is sitting on the tree. The girls are playing a game. Can you see here? The girls are playing chess. Now, instead of the girls, if it would have been only one girl, we would have used a different pronoun. But when they are more than one, which is the pronoun we use? They. They are playing a game. Manjot and I are going to the park. Always remember, whenever there is a word I with someone, we will always use one pronoun. That is we. We are going to the park, because we includes us also. When we are talking about ourselves and somebody else, we use the word we. Fatima is going to sing today. Fatima is a name of a girl, and she is only one girl who's going to sing today. So what is the pronoun we use for girl? She. She is going to sing today.